Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from RBA. Selling your business should be an exciting event, but do you know only 49% of all companies that go under an LOI actually sell? As a restoration broker who's worked with 350 plus clients over 14 years, I know why this happens. Hey everybody, today I want to talk about the 7 lessons I've learned from over 500 million in restoration transactions. In my previous episodes, we've covered time is not your friend, that competition will give you better offers, due diligence and the importance of it, that some parts of the negotiation are more important to you than others, okay, and that the letter of intent and how important it is to a seller. Today, I'm going to talk about strategic buyers and financial buyers and how strategic buyers are more likely to give you a better offer. Hey everybody. Welcome to my video series, 7 lessons I have learned from 500 million in restoration transactions. Today, I want to talk about point number 6, which is strategic buyers will give you better offers than financial buyers. So first, let's talk about it at a pretty high level. Financial buyers are just that. They're interested in buying your company purely from a financial perspective, right? So they're going to look at your numbers and they're going to say, I'm going to pay you X, so because the business makes Y. Beyond that, they got no other reason to acquire you. Then you got the strategic buyers. So strategic buyers, your business is worth more than just the numbers. So it could be somebody from another state wanting to get into your market. It could be somebody that has a strong commercial business in your market. Now they want the residential piece of it, or vice versa. All right, it could be a regional player trying to come into your region, or a national player trying to put some dots on a map. So for these kinds of buyers, your business is worth more than just a financial buyer. All right? So finding strategic buyers will have better outcomes for you as a seller. Selling your business is exciting and should be the pinnacle of your career, and it's complicated to get right. At RBA, we'll help our clients successfully navigate through this journey. We make the complicated simple. Go to www.rbasells.com and check us out.